guys, welcome to our video channel. I'm with my best buddy, Ben Carmichael.
Hey guys, how you doing?
We're here to talk about the Ooni Pro multi-fuel pizza oven. And I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. This was Ben's idea. It's been Ben's project. He is a heck of a pizza cook now, but I'm sold. So I'm gonna let you just talk about it.
Awesome. So the idea here came from the start of COVID. Like everyone, we're locked up in our houses. We're looking for dinners to make. And I, like a lot of Americans, it turns out, turn to pizza. It's like a soul food.
Totally.
You love it, right? If you look at like Pizza Hut and Domino's, sales went through the roof for those companies.
Right.
So, but I was like, I want to make it my own. So I found this, the Ooni Pro. What I love about this is it's multi-fuel. So you can probably see down below, we've got just a regular propane tank. I didn't have to go buy anything special, no adapters or anything. That's what I had for my grill. You also can run wood in it, and you can run charcoal in it.
Where? That fits in the back somewhere?
Yeah, so you guys can probably see the flames coming in here. This is from the gas. Here in the back, there's a little adapter for the gas coming in, from the propane coming in, but there's a little tray where you can put wood and charcoal in there, and you'll see it come smoking out. You can put a little case here in the front, another door. This is what they call like a post box style door.
I actually pulled it out so we could show them.
Oh, handy.
So this is the door, and it just clips on right here.
Right.
And then you would open this to vent out.
Yep.
So it's pretty good looking. It's got your own little thermometer there inside.
It's this nice brushed stainless steel look that they've got going on. I think it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't want to make pizza, I happen to love pizza, but if you want to make like a steak in here, or you want to roast fish, you put that door on and you can make unbelievable dinners in this thing.
So I will say the fit and finish, and that's the first thing I commented when I saw it. I said, this thing looks well built, and I believe it is. It feels well built. That door is solid, and that was what impressed me first. So if you know, first impressions was the appearance, fit and finish. But what really impressed me was when Ben said, when I got here and I said, you don't have any pizzas made yet? And he said, don't worry, it'll take 90 seconds. And I looked at him and I said, oh, come on, you're just lazy. He's like, no, seriously, 90 seconds.
Yeah.
It takes like 90 seconds for a pizza. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah. So in your home oven, you know, you put it on broil, you turn it up, it's like 550, maybe a little higher if you have a really high-end oven. This gets up to 950 degrees in 20 minutes or so. It's a little windy today, so it took a little bit longer. And one of the incredible things is you can stick your hand right underneath this oven, no problem. So this is actually kind of like a cheap workshop desk that I have that I pulled out. It's a sort of laminated plastic top. No problem, I can put this pizza oven on top of that.
And you can leave this out. Stainless steel, you can leave it out in the yard, out in the backyard, or whatever. You bring yours in, but I just like that. It's not that big. What does it weigh, like 50 pounds?
It's 48.5 pounds unboxed. It does come in a really sturdy box, so when we got it, our whole family was like, ooh, pizza oven? So we actually threw it in the back of the car, took it up to Maine, took it up to New Hampshire, and made pizza for our family. So it's been a fun thing. These legs here that you can see, they're retractable, they fold down, so it lays nicely in the back of your car.
Does this come off?
This pulls off very easily.
So stores really easy.
Stores really easy.
What else? You've been using this now for how many months?
6 months or so,
6
maybe?
months. So this is a 6 month long review.
Yeah.
What else can you tell us about this? Like, I was impressed with the 90-second pizzas. We had about 6 pizzas today. I'm so full right now.
I'm so full.
But I was impressed it took 90 seconds. I mean, you kneaded the dough, you prepped it, you put sauce on, you threw a little cheese, you threw it in for about 50 seconds?
You throw it in maybe for 30 seconds for a first bake.
You took it out.
Take it out, put your toppings on, put the final cheese on, and then you know, I sometimes will walk away and, you know, have a beer, say hi to a friend, and I turn back and the thing's almost on fire.
Yeah, you can't walk away.
You got to be really careful with it. So,
what else can you tell me about it?
So Ooni makes a whole bunch of different ones. If you're not interested in the multi-fuel aspect, you can get ones that are just dedicated gas. They're a little bit smaller than this too, and they don't have the chimney. So if you just want to go gas, you can go that way.
Yeah.
They also make them for those smaller ones, like little sort of like carrying cases, so you can carry them around.
Like a camping stove or something.
Totally.
Yeah, I could see, I would go gas. I wouldn't want this. I would go gas and just leave it hooked up to propane. But I could see the pellets or the wood or the coal being great for like a camp or a summer camp or something. It'd be kind of fun.
Yeah.
You know, you could do it with the whole family.
Right.
What are we talking for price for something like this? And
so base price, this is the Pro, so this is the top of the line version. It's $599 MSRP. And then you got to get some of the accessories. So it does come with what I think are some really nice leather gloves. I actually use these for our fire pit now, and I love them. They're perfect. They've got some nice pizza peels.
It's got like a little bevel on it. That's nice, yeah.
It's bamboo.
Yep.
Yeah, that one's good. They've got some of these too. These are great. So they've got a bunch of accessories. You're probably into it for $700 if you go top of the line model like this.
Right. I bet these things are flying off the shelf now with COVID.
Oh man,
it's like anything else.
A couple months wait for it.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, it's like it's with the Peloton bikes and the treadmills and
the fire pits.
And everything is just you can't touch it now. But so 6 months later, has your expectations changed?
Totally. You know, sometimes you buy a kitchen gadget and it sits on a shelf. Like someone the other day offered me one of those electric knives, that your grandfather or uncle would have or something. And I was like, I would
Carbon knife.
Yeah, totally. This is hands down the best kitchen accessory we have bought in the last, 6 years or something like that?
Wow.
Fantastic.
Well, to me, this is outdoor living. So, we're in the Northeast. It's getting a little chilly now. We're wearing our coats.
Yeah.
However, 6 months, you've used this all summer long.
Yeah.
People are moving outdoors, especially with COVID. You're home, so they're living on their patios. They're expanding their patios. They're expanding their screen porches and their decks and pools and building all their outdoor living. This is just going to add another component to that.
Yeah.
For around $500-600, it's like buying another grill.
Yeah.
But it gives you a different angle on what you can provide for your entertainment value on your patio.
I'm starting to wonder if I can fit a small turkey in there for Thanksgiving.
Well, maybe if you quarter it or something.
That's right. Spatchcock it, butterfly it.
Yeah. Butterfly it, slide it in. That'd be great. Is there anything else we want to tell our audience about this? We're going to put this on our Weekend Warrior category section of the website.
Yep.
What else can you tell us about it?
So over the 6 months, it has held up really well. Throwing it in the back of cars, traveling. I have left it out, forgotten about it, and it's been out in the rain a couple times. They do make, the sort of plastic insulated covers you put over a grill. They do make those. I haven't bought that yet, but I've left it out. It actually looks, I think, really nice. I haven't done a lot of cleaning.
Except for the table.
Actually, Ooni does make modular tables to fit under these.
Stainless steel?
They're really nice looking.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Those sell super
we'll
fast.
Have to get that next.
Yeah. But no, and so the pizza stones here are not ceramic. They're, I'm not going to say this correctly, cordite.
Okay. Never heard of that.
It is a mineral pizza stone. They're actually much more durable. So what you're getting here is with this brushed stainless steel, ceramic insulated, and then you have this cordite stone. It's a super high quality product.
Yeah, it's totally high end.
Yeah.
Very nice. This has been great.
Love it.
And I love the pizza. The pizza's been amazing.
I know, I need a nap now, I think.
or go to the gym, one of the other.
Right. You go to the gym, I'll nap.
Anything else we want to tell the guys about this, the folks about this?
It's great. Ooni Pizza, tons of accessories, lots of cookbooks. We really love it. The whole family's loved it. So.
Well, we'll put a link to Ooni in the video description of the website, and obviously in the article, there's an article on Concord Carpenter about this already. Check it out. Hey, thanks, Ben. I appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Rob.
Take care.
Take care.
Awesome.